In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your contact tier and marketing contact count in HubSpot. Understanding where you stand with your marketing contacts is really important because it affects your billing, your email sending limits, and how you plan future campaigns. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what you're looking at step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and you're on the main homepage. This is usually the screen you see right after you sign in, with your dashboards, recent activity, and navigation bar along the top. If you're not on that page, just click the HubSpot logo or the home option in the main menu to get there. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen for your account area. This is typically where you'll see your account name, sometimes alongside your company name or portal name. Click on your account name. This will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to various settings and account-related options. From that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Account and Billing. This is the section where HubSpot keeps all the information related to your subscription, payments, and usage. You may need the right permission level to access this, so if you don't see it, you might need to ask an account admin to follow these steps instead. Once the account and billing page loads, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top. Look for the one called Usage and Limits and click on it. This area gives you a high-level overview of how much of your HubSpot subscription you're currently using, including things like contacts, email sends, and other limits associated with your plan. Inside the Usage and Limits section, locate the area or tab labeled Marketing Contacts. Go ahead and click on Marketing Contacts. This is where HubSpot shows you your current contact tier and your marketing contact count. On this screen, you should now see how many marketing contacts you're currently using, what your allowed tier is, and in many cases, how close you are to that limit. This information helps you decide whether you need to clean up contacts, downgrade or upgrade your tier, or adjust which contacts are set as marketing versus non-marketing. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly check your contact tier and marketing contact count in HubSpot, stay on top of your usage, and avoid unexpected billing surprises.